Alright, so I got a couple of different whips that can go on this. But these two are the same. I just put this MFJ piece on here, and then I get the one from the titanium one from the super antenna, and then this is an MFJ. I don't know if it's 17 feet long or what it is. Pretty long. So then there's a coil. So she's gonna put it on her mount, and we should be good to go. Alright, so we got our coil over here, and we're going to take this thing, and I got this adapter at the Ham Fest the other day, so we're going to use that. No more cable in between there, which is nice. Except for I can't read the damn thing in the sunlight. So, hold on a second. Yeah, you can't see anything. So this is where it's at right now. I guess I'm on 10 megahertz. That's a really steep dip. So, let's see what frequency it's at. 9. Okay, let's see what we can do. So that is the maximum of the coil with the MP1 super antenna whip. So we would have to go ahead and change the whip to something else. So we're going to go ahead and use the MFJ. So this thing here is pretty tall. So let's see, it's about almost 3 times as long. Sucks as it is really windy out here. Let's see here. I gotta be facing the opposite side of the sun. Alright, so we're looking at 1 to 30 megahertz. Let's see where this dip is at. 6.2. That's all of the coil, every bit of it. And let's see. Let's say we want to be there. So I think we'd probably be able to adjust the slider pretty easy. So I got it to right about there. Just kind of guessing. So anyway, we'll have to screw around with this in a little bit, but I can see that it should cover quite a bit. It's just a matter of selecting the whip that you want to run. And for me, this isn't the whip I want to run. On here, you can see it's ridiculously tall, and I'm using very little of the coil to achieve 40 meters. So what that means is that this whip almost all by itself will cover 40 meters. So in fact, let's just go ahead and try that. Alright, so we have just the whip. I'm going to come over here and see what we're reading. We're at 709. Not matched very well at all. Trying to find my cursor. Alright, so it's like about 15 megahertz where it's dipping. It's kind of weird because it looked like I was very little coil being... Well, actually, no, never mind. I had it the other way around. I was using most of the coil with that whip, and I was getting near 40. So the whip itself will probably be good for 20 meters. And then you add the coil, and then you get 40. So I'm gonna have to do a little more testing, but and then I'm gonna be winding the 80 meter coil too. So it should be fun. Stay tuned, guys.